Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to add more photos on Plenty of Fish, that is dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser on your PC. I'm gonna open Firefox as my web browser and type in Plenty of Fish. And after typing on Plenty of Fish on the search bar, it will give you a link, that is www.pof.com. And click on this link, it will send you to the official website of Plenty of Fish. And to add more photos, you need to go to my profile, that is on top of the website right here, and click on edit profile. Now after clicking on edit profile, scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here, it has given me different options: my profile, edit profile, settings, and upload photos. Now go to upload photos, and it will give you this page saying you can upload up to 8 images to your profile, and click on upload photo. Now you can upload up to 8 photos on your profile, so I'm going to add this one photo on my profile and crop a little bit and click on save. You can also choose if you want to keep it as main photo, private photo, or public photo. Now after hitting save, you have successfully added photo on your Plenty of Fish dating app account. Now please wait for a while. As you can see here, it is being uploaded. Now that's how you upload or add more photos on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.